I'm gonna virtually give this to you. Here, take it as my gift. If you guys hear like, I'm calling people. Preferably Devon right now. Chat.
Dude, he's not gonna answer.
Well, obviously I'm gonna keep calling him. Okay, I'll call him back.
Oh,
I'm calling. What? I happen to like 9 Live, Nina sausages, herbing fillets,
Harry Potter.
and some Friskies. So ready. Here is how you make your mush. You take. Which one looks better? Do you like the one? I'm gonna keep the one that has the high five like there. No! Go get my charger.
Jamie, do you have a wall plug-in for your iPhone charger? Hey, get it. Where? I don't know.
Come, Melanie. Get me a bowl.
Oh.
So, let me grab this. Okay. Okay. Just make sure it doesn't sink.
It's dead. Tell me when it's white.
Okay. So you will need cat food. Preferably in the can. Fish. Not sure what kind. And some sausage. And a bowl and a fork.